Hello guys, welcome to my channel Earn with me. Guys, if you are searching for online tutoring job, in this video I'll share with you one amazing tutoring website, and that website name is TeacherOn. I'll provide you each and every detail for this website, and at the end of the video we will discuss how to register on this website. So consider subscribing this channel. Let's first discuss what kinds of jobs are available on TeacherOn. Okay, so here you can do home tutoring. Second option is you can teach online, and the third, you can also help students with assignments, academic project and dissertations. Now let's see what kind of subject you can teach here. So for this, let's go to the website. Here you can see there are number of subject you can teach on TeacherOn, including HTML, IELTS, Java, math, science, physics, political science, even music you can teach here. Okay, now let's discuss where you can teach. Like in US, can you teach? So here you can teach anywhere across the world because it has jobs posted by all the students across the world. Okay, and can charge them accordingly. So is it necessary to have laptop or pen tab to teach online? Well, if you are teaching Python, C, C++, then most of the time you are typing. Then you need not to buy pen tab. But if you are teaching math, physics, like these subjects, then you need to make the student understand the concept, and you need to write on the whiteboard. So I will recommend to buy it. Now I will log in into my account, and I will show you how you can find jobs, online jobs like tutoring jobs, or you can find home tutoring jobs in the TeacherOn website. So let's log in into my account. You can see the three horizontal line on the top left corner, and let's just click on three horizontal line. You will get the 4 to 5 options here. Then in the job section we will click on search online jobs. Then you will get this kind of interface where you can search any kind of job here. Okay, so you can also check, first of all we will just search physics jobs. Okay, you can see all the assignments or the tutoring jobs will be displayed. Some of them will mention the price, some of them will not. The companies and the parents mention all the requirements in these job sections, so you can read them carefully, and if you think that you are suitable for that job, then you can contact the parents. Now let's see how you will get notification for these jobs. Well, any inquiry on TeacherOn will be notified to you by Gmail. I'll show you one of the mail. Like this you will get the notification. Okay, in this they will also tell you how many teachers have contacted the students, is student contacted any teacher or not, which subject do you need to teach. If the parents have mentioned anything about the fees, they will also display you in this mail. Okay, first I will discuss when you can get free tutoring jobs on this website, because otherwise you need to buy coins for getting the tutoring jobs. But whenever you are contacted by the parents, then you will get free tutoring job. You can also check this on their website where they have mentioned whenever the student will contact you, it will cost you nothing. Now let's discuss how much you need to pay whenever you want to contact students. For this, let's just go to the last page and let's just click on the coin section. When we click on this coin section, then this interface will open. So where when you scroll down, you will get the premium membership option. Okay, click on this option so that we can get the idea how much you need to spend whenever you want to contact parents. Okay, so this kind of interface will open. You can see for the different number of coins you will get the different prices, and that's the thing that I love about this website, because here you can see that you can buy the minimum number of coins. Like you can even buy 50 coins, you can buy 100 coins, depending upon the amount you want to spend. If you want to contact only one student, like you have inquiry you are interested in, then you can buy coins accordingly. And you have already seen the price of 100 coins, that is 146 rupees. I think you can easily contact at least one student with that. Another good thing is that these coins never expire. Now let's discuss how you can register on this website as a tutor. You can go to the teacher on website, or you can simply click link in the description box. Then you will get like this interface where you can click on just login. Okay, and then after that just continue with email. Click on continue with email, where you can just after that you can click on join, where you can enter your name, email ID, password, and then you have to click I am a teacher. Okay, in this section you will click on teacher, and after that just tick the box, this is my first and only account with teacher on, and then just click on register. Okay, I have provided you all the required information. If you find this video useful, you can subscribe the channel to get these videos first. That's all for today. Thank you guys.